Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel Decorate with Manas. How are you all? So let's be real, you all wanted to see my house tour, and so here it is. But before that, a quick overview. I define my style as minimal, Indian and achievable with lots of DIY. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom hall, 2 BHK in an apartment situated in the city Bengaluru, India. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. The first part of the house that you're greeted with is the entryway or the foyer. I've kept it very simple. There's a statement wall art with warm colors to welcome the guests. There is a pothos plant in a terracotta planter to add some green. And on the right there's a tray where I keep my hand sanitizer and stuff to deal with the pandemic. And there's a mirror to have a final look before you head out of the home. There's a stool to sit and comfortably change your footwear. And the shoe cabinet is where I keep and organize all my footwear. As soon as you turn towards your living room, you are drawn towards this immense natural light flowing in through these huge French windows. You get this amazing lake view, which made me fall in love with the house immediately when I first saw this. So this is my balcony. I have this artwork hanging on the wall, and then I have this planter with a few trailing plants. On the other side, I have this granite slab which was already fixed in the house. So I've kept a lot of small plants on top of it, and below the slab also there are a few bigger plants. My balcony has become the space for me where after a long day of work, I just go there to reflect and rewind, which during the pandemic has been a big luxury. Let's enter the living room. On the right, I have my sofa. Now this sofa has a very interesting shape. It has very mid-century modern details, very wide armrests which make it look very interesting. So above the sofa I have a very minimal gallery wall with a few wall art pieces which I've collected over the time. On the opposite side I have my TV and the entertainment console. Now if you're wondering where is the TV, this art piece is actually a TV. It's Samsung frame TV, and when it's not being used as a TV, it transforms into wall art. Like most of us, I spend a lot of time in my living room watching TV, relaxing on the couch. With its patchwork design, this chair adds a pop of color to the space and acts as an accent chair to make things visually interesting. Next to the TV, I have my IKEA mirror which I've hung on the wall and my ring light. There is a solid wood cabinet, and there's my favorite furniture piece as well, my jhula or the swing. I think a jhula is a great way to add seating without taking a lot of floor space. I spend a lot of time swinging on the jhula, enjoying the lake view. I always wanted a large mirror in my space to have fun with the various outfits that I have. My living room is also the space where I do my yoga, I work out, sometimes I dance. So it's a space that sees a lot of activity. moving on to the left is my dining area. I usually try to keep the table very clutter-free. I just have a fruit basket and a set of posters on the table. I for sure wanted a round table because round tables make the space look bigger, and also when people face each other and eat, I think it's more intimate. On the right of my dining area is my open kitchen. It's an L-shaped kitchen, and I think it's a gracious size for a 2-bedroom house. I love to cook, and there's a lot of cooking that happens in this kitchen, and I'm very blessed to have a kitchen that makes me feel like cooking. Now in this video, I'm not going over the details of how I organize my kitchen, but do let me know in the comments if you would like to see a video like that. I would be happy to do a detailed video for my kitchen organization. On the other side, I have my refrigerator, which is a mirror finished refrigerator. Attached to the kitchen on the left is also a small utility area. Let's move to the guest bedroom, which has also been my home office during the pandemic. On the left, there's a queen size bed with a side table. Opposite the window is a wardrobe with an inbuilt vanity. I love these vanity lights, and when lighted, they create this very soft light which makes you look very flattering. On the other side of the window is my desk. This is the setup that I use for my day job. I've kept it very minimal and simple with just the bare minimum things required. On the side wall, I again have a gallery wall with assorted artwork, and it makes my background look interesting when I'm taking calls. Attached to the dining area is my common bathroom. Nothing much to see here. There's a mirror. There's a wash basin, the toilet, and the shower area. Right next to the guest bedroom is the entrance to my master bedroom. And the highlight of this space is this bay window. There is an amazing lake view from the window, so I often end up having very intimate conversations over a cup of chai with my friends, or sometimes I read a book here. This room had wooden flooring, which became the starting point for the interior design of this room. I've kept the design of this room extremely minimal, and a standout piece is this bed with this beautiful cane headboard. The other side is my most used piece of furniture, my dressing table. Now on this wall, there was no provision to put up a lighting fixture, and I definitely needed light for my dressing. So I bought this lighting kit from Amazon, and I just love the way it looks. It creates a very magical ambience throughout the room, and it makes me look so pretty. After I got these lights, I spent a disproportionate amount of time in front of my mirror. So I would say it's a great buy. Also, this part of the table is far from minimal and is a little messy, but hey, it's a journey for all of us. I'm trying. I moved to this house 2 years ago during the pandemic, and since then I have been decorating it little by little, piece by piece, with a lot of love and a lot of handmade touches. Hope you guys liked my video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I regularly share content on home decor and DIY. I keep it real and I keep it entertaining. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!